Hey Sam, what's up?
Just trying to study for the biology exam. My brain feels overloaded.
You're probably experiencing cognitive fatigue.
Cogni what?
Cognitive fatigue, when your brain gets tired from too much thinking or learning.
Oh, then yes, my brain is ready to retire early.
Well, maybe you should diversify your study methods.
Diversify? Sounds like a stock market term.
Same idea. It means to add variety. So instead of just reading notes, you could watch videos, do quizzes, and use flashcards.
Interesting, but still boring.
You just need a stimulus.
Wait, like in biology?
Exactly. A stimulus is something that causes a reaction. For you, maybe a reward after each study session?
Chocolate counts, right?
Definitely. Also, avoid sporadic studying.
We covered that last time. It means random, right?
Correct. See, you're retaining words.
Great. Now, what if I just stop studying altogether?
Then your performance will deteriorate.
Deterio what?
Deteriorate is to get worse over time, like how my soccer skills faded when I stopped practicing.
Speaking of soccer, did you watch last night's match?
Yeah, it was exhilarating.
And I assume that means exciting?
Thrilling, yes. Almost made me spill my drink when they scored in the last minute.
Okay, new plan. I'll watch soccer instead of studying.
That's called counterproductive.
Oh, I know that one. It means a terrible idea.
Exactly, you're learning fast.
Yeah, in fact, my vocabulary is expanding, just like my list of excuses not to study.